I'm going to show you how to make money online on Autopilot for absolutely free. Here's what you need to do. There's lots of people out there right now that want to grow their Instagram followers, especially marketers online, because they're looking for a way to get more people in front of whatever they're selling. It doesn't matter what it is. Go to this website. It's called upleap.com. Sign up for their affiliate program. Where it says become an affiliate, you can sign up. Put in all your information. You're going to be making 30% every time somebody sign up. After signing up, you want to grab your affiliate link, head on over to Bitly. Create the Bitly link to use. Head on over to Disc Udemy. You can get a lot of free courses on here. Once you find the free course, you can grab this one. So make money on Instagram for absolutely free. So now we're going to give this away. Lots of people are asking questions about Instagram. Give some value and then share your link.